railways are vital for every country. Currently, the total length of high-speed railways worldwide has exceeded 62,000 kilometers, serving over 800 billion passengers annually. In Yunnan, China, the Kunming-Chuxiong-Dali-Lijiang high-speed railway traverses through undulating mountains with lush vegetation and beautiful natural scenery, and is hailed as a golden tourism route. However, bridges and tunnels account for 64% of the entire line, making the site survey for network planning incredibly challenging. Traditional high-speed railway network planning faces challenges such as insufficient precision, poor perception, and high costs. In February 2023, China Mobile, in collaboration with ZTE, launched a precise network planning solution for Mountainous high-speed railways based on digital twin. It focuses on digital set twin, wireless channel twin, and AI optimization. The insufficient precision issue is addressed through digital set twin. Digital set twin is achieved through autonomous drone control gathering, together with a flat path planning app to construct an extremely high-precision set model. Based on this model, high-precision measurements of engineering parameters can be conducted, as well as digital design and AI recognition of antenna assets. The poor perception issue is addressed through wireless channel twin. Wireless channel twin is achieved through employing ray tracing for different types of tracks in Mountainous high-speed rail scenarios. Specific characteristic databases are established. For users, wireless channel twin enables user movement trajectories training to achieve user service perception simulation. The high costs issue is addressed through AI optimization by setting adaptive optimization objectives. Various algorithms are employed to identify the optimal parameters to enhance coverage. The use of digital twins saves cumbersome manual optimization process, reducing costs.
通过数字孪生赋能高铁网络规划后，云南昆蜀大荔高铁实现了网络即开通即优化，规划精准度提升了50%以上，网络规划周期缩短1个月以上，每年可节省人力成本71.4%，折合人民币640万元，运维效率提升50%以上。昆楚大荔高铁下行平均用户速率提升达到20%，低速用户占比降低了99%，用户体验大为改善。据统计，该线路日均流量增幅达到124%，短视频业务每年增收503万元人民币，即时通讯业务增收114万元人民币。
The improvements in high-speed railway network coverage have greatly boosted public convenience and satisfaction in remote areas. In Yunnan, 5G high-speed railway coverage has expanded from 4 to 9 lines, with the overall coverage rate increasing to 97.31%. The number of high-speed railway users has increased by 47%, reaching 816,800. By launching exclusive service packages for these users, an additional annual revenue of over $400 million is expected. In the future, digital twin capabilities can expand to diverse industries via open APIs, like drone security, mining, and ports. China Mobile and ZTE will continue to provide superior network services and help build a better life in the digital future.